textures and patterns in nature is it's a very interesting topic. Little moat around it of dry fibre. You do a sample because you're gathering information. And this really hardens them up quickly, and you can do a few together. So it's interesting to see so you get the idea. It's just keeping going with that. Okay. And when you put fibre onto the surface, you do have to remember to keep removing that net. Fibres, particularly silk fibre, loves to attach to the nets. So a different coloured wool. So I'm going to put a grey, a greeny, dark green wool just to cover up that. And occasionally just check in on the edges. And it's really go over the top with the texture. These things will all stick on. Just get some nice fine. It's really interesting. It's kind of a little bit like a mossy rock. Again, here. And I like it with a little bit of wood thrown in as well. And it's just the most beautiful piece, and she had a gorgeous photo. It's a shame we've almost shrunk by half, which is great. Just them with their little stuffing in, and you can see with the stuffing in there they're really light.